Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're here with a little touch of magic. If you are familiar with my channel, you have seen me unbox this box several times. This is a really cool, different subscription. It is a lifestyle subscription in essence, also kind of a jewelry subscription, but the one thing, the strand that ties it all together is a short story each month. So the short story has a theme, and that theme connects all the items that you receive. There are things that come from that world or elements from that story that all make sense. I think it contains like 6 to 8 items. There's always a lot of handmade artisanal items as well. Obviously a short story. Each box is $45.99. Do you guys want to say hi to Swifty? Because she really wants to say hi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, say hello. Say hi. Okay, I know you don't like that. All right. So I have hair all over me now. Whoop. All right, so we're gonna open this up. I did pop the top. I think this is the February box. It says circulation. There's an owl, so I'm guessing this is gonna kind of have an owl theme. I have not read this story or anything like that. I always do that, and then in my full review, I kind of link everything so you kind of understand what it all meant in the end. If you're interested in that, I'll link to that below. I will also link to A Little Touch of Magic, so you can check them out. In my head, I always call them ALTOM, A Little Touch of Magic, but like if I said that, you guys wouldn't really know what I meant. All right, so always in purple, very nice. Here are your gifts from the forest creatures. Okay, and then in the back here we have our insert with retail prices. They always do that. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. Let's kind of set it here so you guys can kind of see what's going on. Let's get to this one first. Ooh, wow. A lot of accessories in this package and things like that. So here's a pretty head wrap. It's windy outside right now too. I might wear this today. It matches my shirt. I did not, like I swear. It was, you saw, it was sealed. Okay. Next up we have, we'll go through the retail prices at the end too, just so you can kind of see. Ooh, this pretty little box. It's like a little, just a little, what are these called? Like, not a jewelry box, but a trinket box. That's what it's called. And it has this really cool tree, which is kind of cool for me, right? Not a tree. And then it's red inside. And then it's like lacquered black, the whole thing. All right. And it had one of these guys in it. Don't eat these. All right. I keep saying, all right. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Next. Ooh. So these are from Da Vinci. Lead and nickel compliance jewelry. These are, I guess, little, oh, they're trees. It's kind of, so first of all, they're very statement type earrings. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see because of the light, but there's a trunk here, and then there's, don't mind my glitter nail polish. My daughter had glitter nail polish. You can see there's branches up in here. So those are really cool, and they're silver, which I prefer. And then there's another jewelry box, and this is, ooh, this is super cool. So this is a rose gold piece. And it has some charms here. Hold on, let me kind of, oh, look at that. So it's kind of all strung around. I'll have to have my husband undo that because I don't do it. Here's a crescent moon, and then it has like these little charms over here, but they're kind of, look at that one. It's like some sort of, almost like an opal type, and then little stars. I guess it's supposed to be the moon and stars. I love the rose gold though. I think it's so pretty. And now I have to put it back in there so it doesn't tangle anymore. And this is from Make-A-Wish. Never heard of that company. But those are super pretty, right? All right. Don't be a stinker. It's super pretty though. I love it. All right, moving on. Here's a little note card. Each box usually comes with a note card, like a blank inside card, so that you can fill it out and send it to a friend. This is from Tree Free Greetings. Living sustainably means realizing small choices can have a big impact. Oh, so I guess they don't use, probably they use recycled. Let's just read it. By choosing tree free, you're helping us save trees and doing so much more. You're supporting a USA-made product and lowering your carbon footprint. You're keeping chlorine out of our rivers, greenhouse gases out of our atmosphere, and diverting waste from our landfills. Fantastic. I'm on board with that. All right, let's keep it moving. Another item, all wrapped up. What is it? Oh, how pretty. So it's like a little bucket bag. Okay, so you can see here, this is from Kathmandu Imports. Look at that cool little tree design. Is it very bohemian? This reminds me almost, do you remember in the 90s they had these like, it was like a hooded, it was like hooded and they had these designs on them. They were kind of like this a heavy material, but it's super cute. Look how long that is. So it's a crossbody. Wear this when you're at the beach or when you're at like a festival or when you're out like and you want to have things, you want to have access to like your ID, money, all that stuff, but you don't want to have to carry a big old bag and nobody can yank it off your side. But I love this. This is such a cool color. I love that this is coming back. All right, anyway, let's keep it moving, girls. Our final item is some Winter Woods bath soak. This is, by the way, I can smell this. It smells amazing. The whole boxes smell like this. I thought it was going to be a candle. I really did. It's bergamot, eucalyptus, sparkling icicle, which I don't know what that is. Thyme, basil, iris, amber, cedarwood, and musk. This is made by Lenoir Bazaar, who puts a lot of bath products in here, and they're always fabulous. So let's take a look at the insert and see the retail values of everything. All right, so we have the Tree of Life purse, which is $30. You guys saw that. Ta-da! The red knit headband, $14. Y'all saw that. The crescent moon necklace is $40. And that did come in 3 different options. There was a rose gold, which was what I received. There was a gold or a silver. The owl or Tree of Life earrings, those were $25, and the colors varied. I don't know, it doesn't say what exactly. The Tree of Life box, which is that little trinket box right here, it was $14. There's the Tree of Life card, that was $4. And then the Winter Woods bath soak is $12. So that brings the box total to, let's just do a quick math. 20, 30, 40, 55, 95, 105, 109, $139 for a $45.99 box. That is a great deal. So if you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I'll also link to a Little Touch of Magick if you guys want to check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.